Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many people choose to leave platforms like Telegram for various reasons, perhaps for privacy or just to declutter digital life. It's important to know that deleting your account isn't just hiding it, it's a permanent removal. All your chat history, contacts, and media will be gone forever. This simple, step-by-step guide is designed to make the entire process easy for you, ensuring you navigate it smoothly in 2025. Before you press that delete button, please understand the finality of this action. When you delete your Telegram account, everything goes. All your chats, shared media, and even your contact list within Telegram will vanish irrevocably. There's no undo button, no way to bring it back later. So, if there are any precious memories or important files you've shared, take a moment to back them up first. This is a crucial step. The first step is to navigate directly to Telegram's official deactivation page. You won't find this option within the app itself. It's an external web link. Open your preferred web browser and type in my.telegram.org/deactivate. Once on the page, you'll be prompted to enter the phone number linked to your Telegram account. Ensure it's the correct number so Telegram can send you a confirmation code. After entering your phone number, Telegram will send a confirmation code directly to your Telegram app on one of your connected devices. It will appear as a message from Telegram itself. Copy this code and then paste it back into the designated field on the deactivation webpage. You might be asked to select a reason for leaving, which is optional. Finally, click the Done button and your account will be marked for deletion. Congratulations, your Telegram account is now permanently deleted. This means all your data, including every message, photo, video, and contact, has been wiped from Telegram's servers. There is no going back from this point. Your account is truly gone. Should you ever decide to use Telegram in the future, you will need to register as a completely new user with a fresh phone number. It's a clean slate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.